In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best motorcycle speedometers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the motorcycle speedometers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the motorcycle speedometers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Digital Speedometer for Honda CBX 250. Upgrade your Honda CBX 250 or CBF 250 Twister, 2001 to 2008, with this high-performance LED LCD digital speedometer. It offers clear visibility with its bright display and provides precise readings with a 12V setup. Designed to meet OEM standards, it ensures a perfect fit and lasting durability. Whether you're commuting or cruising, this speedometer keeps you informed with accuracy. Easy to install and a solid upgrade for better control and monitoring. Get it now at 51% off for just $36.45. Number 4, Universal Digital Speedometer for Honda EX5. Ride confidently in all weather conditions with this waterproof digital speedometer, perfect for Honda EX5. It features real-time RPM and gear indication for performance tuning, along with an oil gauge to monitor fuel efficiency. The easy installation makes it a practical upgrade for any rider looking to enhance their dashboard with useful features. Built for reliability and precision, it's now available at 52% off, priced at just $30.40. Number 3, Digital Speedometer for Titan 150 CG125. Add both style and function with this LED digital speedometer, compatible with Titan 150 and CG125. Switch effortlessly between metric and imperial units, track your ride with indicator lights, and reset mileage with a single button. The engine signal from the magneto ensures high accuracy. It's a sleek and compact upgrade for riders who want both aesthetic appeal and practical performance. Priced at only $30.51, 53% off. Number 2, Digital Dashboard for CG125, 2000 to 2008. Boost your riding experience with this digital dashboard tailored for CG125 motorcycles from 2000 to 2008. It displays speeds up to 199 km per hour and offers turn signal and high beam indicators. Switch between ODO, trip, and unit types, km/h or mph, with ease. Night mode ensures clear visibility after dark. It's the ideal replacement for worn-out clusters, giving your ride a modern touch. Grab it now at 53% off for just $23.99. Number 1, LED Speedometer Temp Meter for CG150. Designed for Honda CG150 riders, this LED digital speedometer comes with a temperature meter for engine monitoring. It features both metric and imperial system conversions and supports max speed readings up to 199 km per hour, compatible with various CG models. It's a smart, affordable choice for upgrading your bike's dashboard. Stylish, compact, and easy to install. Available now at 53% off for only $26.56.